Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to delete temporary files in Windows 10. So temporary files sometime takes so many storage in your local disk C. So how you can delete this? Okay, so if you delete these files, the performance of your PC will get fast. So for deleting the temporary files in Windows 10, you will go into the search bar and you will search for run here, and then you will basically type here temp. Okay, so the first option is to type here temp, and this folder will be open, and then you will just delete all files from here. Just tap on next here, and where it says that this action can't be completed because file open is Microsoft Office, just do this for R and skip. And once you do that, just close this here. Just wait it to be deleted. Just close this here and go to this run option again and type here percentage and then temp and then percentage and tap on OK here and delete all files from here too. Just delete all these files and just skip these. Okay, so after this you will close it again and type run here again, and this time type for prefetch here and OK, and just continue here and delete all files from this folder as well. So just skip it, and after this you need to tap on your recycle bin and tap on empty recycle bin. Okay, and then continue and this. So guys, that's how to delete temporary files in Windows 10. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.